Opening up my first dumpling. I really hope to get the blue, pink, or purple. Okay, so now let's open it. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see it first. Is it good? Okay. I'm good with this. It's a yellow. I really like this. Now time to open my butter squishy. Okay, now time to open the butter. If I can open it. Okay, I opened it. Oh my gosh. I really like this one. I like this one more than the dumpling.